Ever fumbled in the dark trying to find the toilet without blinding yourself? The KOHLER Rutledge Toilet Seat changes that experience entirely. With its built-in Nightlight technology, it offers just the right amount of glow to guide you safely without disrupting your nighttime vision. Whether you prefer a gentle soft light or a brighter glow, this seat lets you choose from 3 adjustable brightness levels to fit your comfort. What sets this seat apart is its dual LED lighting system. When the lid is down, a subtle guide light quietly illuminates the toilet's location on a 10-hour cycle, so you never have to turn on harsh bathroom lights again. Lift the lid, and task lighting brightens the bowl, making every visit more convenient, especially during those late-night trips. It's a thoughtful feature that blends safety with ease, ideal for families or anyone who values comfort after dark. Beyond lighting, the Rutledge seat is designed with practical daily use in mind. Its quick-release hinges allow you to unclip the seat effortlessly, no tools needed, for thorough cleaning. This means you can easily reach under the seat where dirt and grime often hide, keeping your bathroom fresher and more hygienic. Plus, the unique grip-tight bumpers secure the seat firmly in place, preventing any unwanted shifting while you sit. Soft close technology is another highlight. It stops the seat from slamming down, protecting both the seat and your ears from sudden noise. This feature also reduces wear and tear, extending the life of your toilet seat. Installation is straightforward, so upgrading your bathroom won't turn into a weekend project. One satisfied customer from the U.S. praised how this seat made cleaning easier than ever, noting the convenience of sliding the seat off completely to access hard-to-reach spots. The included inserts cover open areas on the seat's underside, adding to its sleek, clean look. All these details combine to make the KOHLER Rutledge Toilet Seat a practical, thoughtful upgrade for anyone looking to improve their bathroom's functionality and comfort. If you're ready to enhance your bathroom experience with smart lighting and easy maintenance, the KOHLER Rutledge Toilet Seat is worth a look. It's more than just a seat, it's a simple solution that brings convenience, cleanliness, and quiet comfort into your daily routine. Try it when you're ready to see how small changes can make a big difference.